Where am I? Just one more tiara down. Amber, wake up!
What are you doing in my room?
This isn't your room.
Where are we? And why is there only one dress in that closet? And where's my tiara?
Amber? Is everyone okay?
where are we?
And whose nightgown am I wearing?
I don't know.
Look, there's the castle. We must be
In the village.
That can't be. We all went to bed in the castle last night. Someone's at the door.
I don't think Bailiwick's here.
Okay, everyone, get dressed.
This is the ugliest dress I've ever seen.
That's not a dress, Amber. It's an apron.
Coming!
This looks like a bakery.
Hello? Morning, everyone. 2 loaves of bread.
Please, Roland?
Excuse me? 2 loaves of bread.
Bread.
Why are you asking me?
Because you're the baker?
No, I'm the king.
You the king?
That's a good
Joke. Everyone knows you're Roland the baker.
baker?
And let me guess. Next you'll tell me you're the queen?
No.
I'm the princess.
What a sense of humor you all have. Whew. So, Roland, can I have my bread now?
Here you go.
Thanks.
King.
What's going on?
Why would that man think you're a baker, Daddy?
I have no idea.
I think I do. Yesterday at the castle, Dad wished he was a baker.
I did? You're right, Sophia. I did.
Well, it looks like you're...
Wish came true, but how?
I don't know. Maybe some kind of magic spell was cast on us.
Maybe Cedric messed up one of his spells again.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get back to the castle and undo the spell before someone asks us to bake something. Ugh.
Wait, this spell might not be such a bad thing. I mean, we could look at it as a vacation.
A vacation?
Vacation?
Yeah, life in the castle is so busy and demanding. This is my chance to get a break from being king. If we stay here, all we have to do is bake some bread. Then we can relax and spend some time together.
Oh, Rolly, I know it sounds good, but I used to live in the village, and I'm not sure being a baker is as easy as you think.
Well, it couldn't possibly be harder than being king. So, what do you say, everyone?
Well, if it's what you really want.
I'll do it. Me too. It could be fun. Or it could be horrible. I want to go back to the castle. Now, Daddy.
Come on, Amber. Dad needs a break. Can't you just do this for him?
Oh, pretty please.
Fine, I'll stay. But I won't like it.
Thanks, everyone. Now, let's do a little baking and then a lot of relaxing, huh?
But Dad, we don't know how to bake.
That's okay. Mom and I can teach you.
Not unless we get some more flour.
And milk and eggs.
Here, Chicky! I need your eggs! Please! Why does she keep running away?
Probably because you're chasing her. You should check the chicken coop.
Oh.
Good idea!
I've got the flour!
What are you doing, Dad?
I'm getting milk. Cow, I command you to give me milk this instant.
I don't think that's how it works.
It isn't?
I'll show you, dear.
Fascinating.
Oops!
Oh boy. Perhaps we should get inside and start baking.
Now click left or right for more great shows, or subscribe to keep up to date with the latest.